So there is a great question here about yung sa calendar management na recent post lang natin. If you want to find out kung ano yung sample scenario in calendar management na yan, just click this comment and you will be directed there. So, ang question niya what if client has multiple flights to different countries in the same month? That would affect the dates if we change the time zones. So, here I'm going to show you na how it won't affect anything as long as yung event na nilagay mo is tama yung time zone. Kahit palitan mo pa sa kahit anong time zone yung primary and secondary time zone ng Google Calendar mo, it will never affect the flight details nung nilagay mo or nung in-input mo. Okay, so wait here, I'll show you. Okay, so if you're going to see here, our primary time zone is is Los Angeles, and Spain is the secondary time zone. So yung sample scenario natin kanina is 10 a.m. yung flight niya from Spain. So ang ilalagay nyo lagi when you're entering an event on your client's calendar is to open more options so that you are directed in this layout. So ilagay ulit natin yung flight from LA to Spain. Okay? Then, ang alis niya is November 14, 10 a.m. yung flight niya. Now, kapag maglalagay ka ng end time, yung sa arrival time niya sa Spain, just click on time zone. And then, use separate end and start time zone. Tapos, hahanapin nyo ngayon yung Madrid, Spain. Just Command F, lalabas yung search button ninyo. Hit on enter para lumabas ang Madrid. Click on Madrid time zone and then click on OK. Ayan na siya. Okay? So, ang arrival niya is 2 p.m. on November 15. And then you hit save. Ayan. Makikita mo na ang alis niya is 10 a.m. on November 14. Now, take note if you're going to change this time zone, yung secondary time zone nyo, this entry will adjust kung ano yung time zone ninyo. So, sinabi niya, diba? Ang sabi niya dito, multiple flights on the same month. O, sige. So, galing siya ng Spain. Okay? Tapos, let's say, on 17, hindi. Let's say on November 21, may flight ulit siya. So, let's say ang flight niya, let's hear more options. Ang flight niya is from Switzerland to Indonesia. Dead ba na sa spelling? Okay. So, papalitan nyo rin yung time zone nito. I-hit nyo lang, isa-search nyo lang, use separate time zone. Search nyo ngayon ang Switzerland. Okay. So, ang capital ng Switzerland, I think is Zurich. Okay. So, there you go. There's Zurich. And then, ang time mo is Indonesia, Jakarta. Okay? And then hit OK. Let's just say whatever time na meron tayo dito. Let's say 9:45 ng 22. Okay? Ayun na yung time niya. Take note your current time zone or yung kung ano yung settings mo sa sa Google Calendar mo, yun yung lalabas sa view mo. Pero, tama yung time zone mo dito. So, tandaan nyo, this is 9 a.m. Switzerland time. This is 9:45 a.m. Indonesia time. So, when you hit save, ayan ang lalabas. Okay? Ang lalabas is 12 midnight. Ang alis mo ng LA time. Los Angeles time. Kasi yan ang primary time zone mo sa Google Calendar mo. So, yan ang magre-reflect sa calendar mo. Okay? And then, ang arrival mo is 6:45 p.m. ng LA time. 6:45 p.m. is katumbas ng, if we open this, 9:45 a.m. ng Indonesia time. Okay? So, whatever even if you put in multiple flights sa every day of the week or of the month, as long as when you enter in the event details, yung correct time zone, ayan, ito, yung correct time zone, as long as you enter the correct time zone here, it will just be the correct time zone. So, kung yung calendar ng client mo is hindi niya pinalitan ng LA time or hindi niya pinalitan yung LA time sa calendar niya, then ang makikita niya yung LA time dito. Okay? Pero ang katumbas nito is kung ano yung local time sa Switzerland ng flight niya. So, I hope that's clear. And that's why it's very important to always triple check yung time zones na nilalagay nyo sa Google Calendar ninyo kasi meron siyang iba't ibang klaseng function. So yung function na yun, yung 2 separate time zones doon sa event is specifically for flight details yan, for flight entries. Tapos yung secondary at saka yung primary time zone naman ng calendar mo is kung nasan ka or kung anong view yung gusto mong makita sa iyong Google Calendar. So it's not going to affect the dates kapag meron ka mga pinapalitan na time zone dahil matalino si Google Calendar natin. Hindi ka mawawala as long as alam mo kung paano gamitin yung features niya. Now, if let's say, di ba yung primary time zone na nakalagay natin dito is LA. Let's say, magre-reflecto sa calendar ng client mo. Pag yung calendar ng client mo, ang primary time zone niya is New York, ang makikita niya doon sa entry mo is based on yung kung ano yung na-view niya sa calendar niya. Okay? So kung naka New York time siya, ang makikita niya yung katumbas ng Switzerland time to New York time. Ganun siya. So, matalino si Google Calendar. You have to trust the application or the features of Google Calendar. Ang kailangan mo lang talagang isipin pagdating sa mga flight entries na ganito is tama yung time zone na nilalagay mo doon sa event itself. Okay? Para kahit iba yung time zone ng client mo sa Google Calendar niya, as long as tama yung time zone na nilagay mo dun sa event mismo na create mo, wala kang problema. I hope you learned something, guys.